So today we got a Galaxy 80 by Feker. This is also a sub-brand of Feker, so you don't get confused about it. It got some weight, I can tell. Dun, 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 dun. So it looks like the packaging is okay. We got a dust cover, a manual. Pretty simple. There's two spare switches, one USB Type-C cable, and a switch and keycap supporter. Nothing fancy. And that's the keyboard. Looks very simple, except we have a little star right here. Oh, on the back is pretty nice. We have this graphic that looks like a space. And this color that we choose is called white. Actually, I think this is more like a creamy, and we got a lot of sparkling inside. So it looks simple, but it's very well built. And the whole case is CNC aluminum. And the weight of this keyboard, 3 pounds and 13 ounces. There's no any decoration on the left or on the right, the front. On the back, there's two buttons. One is the Windows and Mac switches. Another one is on and off. And also the USB Type-C port for you to charge. We got 4 rubber feeties. There's not adjustable. And we have another 8 rubber end cap, and the screws are behind it. So if you want to open it, you have to remove this little rubber first. Okay, so seems like this stars is removable. So here's our USB dongle. Oh, and this thing is magnetic. So when we put on, your USB dongle is under there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Actually, I like this logo right here. And I suppose right here is a light bar that can be light up. Yeah, let's turn it on. All right, looking good. So we got RGB, which is facing south. And there are a lot of presets already that we can choose from. And other colors, the speed can be adjustable. And also this light bar right here, we can customize it too into different colors or preset moods that we like. And talk about the connectivities, this keyboard does offer 3. And not only that, you can connect this keyboard up to 3 devices. The battery on this keyboard is 4000 mAh. And if you want to check your battery, you can simply press Fn plus space, and then it will show you the battery level. So the layout of this keyboard is TKL, 10K less, which means you don't have the number keypads. You have your function keys, some shortcuts, and also your arrow keys. And there are 2 colors that we can choose from on the website. This one is the white, and there's another one is the black one. And all of them are on sale right now, which is 33% off. And if you like it, I'll have the link in the description box below. Let's take a look at the keys. So for sure, this is PBT double shot material, very good quality keycaps. So the switches is 5 pins with a south facing RGB, and this one is called the marble linear switches. Yeah, like I said, this sounds really good. And this keyboard is gasket mounted, which means it's really soft. Yeah. And that gave you a really pleasant typing experience. So leave your comment below of what you think about this Galaxy 80, and happy typing!